Let's get back to basics with episode 2 of using the sole of the foot, the Brazilian way. Ball mastery basics, the shuffle. We start by tapping the ball with both feet side to side using the center of the foot. Lock your ankles and bend your knees for lower center of gravity. Aim is to keep the ball and yourself in one spot. Let's level up by adding the hop. This will help us go faster. Next level, try moving forwards and backwards. Aim is to move in a straight line and keep the ball underneath you. It's challenge time. Go as fast as you can and see how many you can do in 20 seconds. Stay in the same spot. Next is the side roll. This time your target area is the sole of the foot. Begin by rolling or pulling the ball with the sole of the foot across the body and catch with the other sole of the foot. Take it to the next level, add the hop. Next level, move forwards and backwards and you'll become more familiar with the ball.